Converting a mixed number into an improper fraction, that's what we're going to talk about in this video. And what is a mixed number? It's this kind of number. It's called a mixed number because it has a whole number. In this one, it's 3, and it also has a fraction next to it, 2/5. So when two different kinds of numbers are put together like this, 3 and 2/5, then we call it a mixed number. How do we turn this into an improper fraction? What you do is you take your 5, which is your denominator, and you multiply it by the whole number. So 5 times 3, 15. And now what you do is that 15, you add it to the numerator. Okay, so you add 2, and you get 17. And then to write the improper fraction, you take your result, which is 17, and write it over that original denominator. So you get 17/5. And that's how you write an improper fraction out of a mixed number. Why is this called an improper fraction? This is an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. An improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, so whenever you have a fraction whose number in the numerator is bigger than the number in the denominator, we call this an improper fraction. Okay? Let's do letter B. Letter B says 6 3/8. I want to convert it into an improper fraction, so I'm going to multiply 8 times 6. That'll give you 48. And then 48 plus 3, that will give you 51. And 51 over 8. That would be your improper fraction for this mixed number. Let's do letter C. 2 3/4. We take 4 and you multiply it by 2, you get 8, and then you add 3. 8 plus 3, that's 11, and you write 11 over the original denominator, which is 4. And there is your improper fraction. For letter D, let's do 6 times 10, which is 60, and then 60 plus 5, which is 65, and you write it over the original denominator, which is 6. Okay? And that is your improper fraction. Here is your practice. I want you to hit pause in this video and try and convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions in your notebook. And when you're done, hit play again so you can see the answers and see if you got them correct. Okay? I'll see you in a little bit. Here are the answers to the problems I gave you as practice. For the first one, 7 times 5, 35, plus 4, 39 over 7. 5 times 8, 40, plus 3, 43 over 5. 3 times 10 is 30, plus 2, 32 over 3. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 7, 55 over 8. And there are your answers. I hope you got them right. In the next video, we're going to do, instead of turning mixed numbers into improper fractions, we're going to turn improper fractions into mixed numbers. I'll see you in the next video.